I do a lot of DIY projects and was looking for a small cordless sander, ideally with a dust collector. I picked this one up from ThinkLearn because it seemed to check all the boxes and it was pink. I had a small wooden rocking chair I've been restoring, and after I stripped off a good amount of paint, I still had a lot of sanding to do. I wanted to try my new sander out on this piece because it had a lot of tight spaces and round pieces to deal with. The chair must have had 3 or 4 layers of white paint covering the wood, and it was a chore to get through all the layers. But I liked how easy it was to work into the small spaces and curves. Just for fun and comparison's sake, I pulled out my old Black & Decker original mouse sander from back in the day. Not only does the cordless feature make it much easier to work with, but you can see how effective the dust collection bag is compared to a sander without one. The ThinkLearn sander was strong and effective in removing all those layers of paint and getting into most of the small joints and spaces, but I did finish things up with a precision sanding tool to make sure I got every last bit of paint removed. My arms petered out before the battery did. I used it for about 25 minutes of continuous use, so it has a nice long battery life. I am so pleased with my purchase. I love having great tools for every project, and this one is definitely staying in my lineup. So check it out if you're looking for a good quality, affordable, and pink cordless sander. I hope this demonstration was helpful. Thanks for watching.